Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has claimed that the Zimbabwe gold currency is Zimbabwe's first post-independence currency, reported site. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Chiwenga said the bond, that is the Zimbabwe dollar, was inherited from the colonial government. Therefore, Zimbabweans and international community should fully embrace the structured currency. The vice president also warned speculators who he accused of attempting to destroy the new currency that their businesses could be shut down or could face arrest. Since independence in 1980, Zimbabwe's currency has undergone many revisions and redenominations, and the ZiG is the country's sixth attempt to relaunch its local currency. Delivering his main speech at the International Business Conference held on Wednesday at the 64th edition of the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair in Bulawayo, Chiwenga said there is no going back on ZiG. Chiwenga surprisingly claimed that the Zimbabwe dollar was inherited from the colonial government. In today's news, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga says ZiG is the first post-independence local currency. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.